my friends. Hello, I'm so glad that you're here. I recently told you that I was going to be bringing you a video all about my hair, what's happening with it, and I was going to go into a little bit more in depth than I did in videos where I was just sharing favorite products. This is what I have done recently to maximize the growth, the thickness, all of the things in order to get my hair to grow as much as possible. Now I want to show you something. So I want you to see all of these little hairs that are sprouting up all over. I have them all over my head. You can't see them as well on this side, although when I do this, you can kind of see them a little bit better, but they are of all different lengths. Now my bangs are down past my chin. So this is all new hair growth that has come from what I am doing to my scalp. So really you can tell that something is happening either inside my body or on my scalp or all of the above in order to help my hair be healthy and grow back in and grow nice and thick and long. Now you can see from that, it's growing, it's sprouting, it's all over the place. And I attribute that to so many things. I just had this epiphany one day where I was like, you know what? This isn't just about one thing any more than it is just about one thing when I do my skincare. So I decided that I was going to deep dive into what could help my hair the most and use a lot of products. We use a lot of products on our skin. In order to get a full face of makeup, we use a lot of products. If you're a makeup lover or a skincare lover, you know what I'm talking about. Why don't we take as much care with our hair, especially if we're seeing signs of it aging, falling out, thinning? Now, my biggest thing was that it was falling out so much, thinning so much. And then I wasn't able to grow it at all because it was breaking off. I just noticed a huge change, especially when I went through menopause, but I wanted to share with you what I do. Okay, it starts for me internally. I have to have certain supplements in order to make my hair grow. Please don't take any of this as you have to run out and get all of these. I do this for a living. I try to keep my skin, my hair, everything in the best shape possible because I'm putting myself forward on camera. But I also really want to try and take care of myself on the inside too. So I take a really good multivitamin every day. I'll go ahead and list that for you. I take a Gummy that I get actually from Costco. I just get a big bottle of it. I take a Gummy. That is because also I have, as some of you may or may not know, gastric bypass, so I don't absorb things as well. But I also up my protein so much. Protein is so important. It is those building blocks of what our hair and skin and all of those things, our connective tissue, bones, all of that is made of. So I eat a lot of protein. If you need to supplement your protein, go ahead and get some sort of a protein powder. Just do your research. And again, do your research on what I'm saying. And I know I'm going to get some pushback on this video. You're using too many products. You don't know what you're talking about. This is just what works for me. This is what I've done the research for me. So take it or leave it. Use some of them, don't use them. That is all up to you. I'm just showing you what I use. And a lot of these I've shown you over the years. This isn't going to be new stuff. So here's what I do internally. Collagen peptides. I've talked to you about these many, many times. It has the types of 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. And it is unflavored, grass-fed, pasture-raised. This is ultra absorption. So it's supposed to be able to get into your body where it needs to go. So this is my favorite. I put a scoop every day in my tea along with colostrum, same thing as collagen. Collagen is what our connective tissue, our hair, our nails, our skin, all of it. We talk about building collagen through retin-A. Build it from the inside. This is the colostrum. It's got collagen in it. It also has like 40 other ingredients in it. L-glutamine, vitamin D3, vitamin C, vitamin K2, L-lysine, folate, so many things in here. Has digestive enzymes, pre and probiotic in here. This is just an all-around good supplement. Again, I mix these two in my tea and I drink it. And then I also take a hair omega. This is from Doctor's Formula. This is a DHT blocker with biotin. This has saw palmetto, beta-cisterol, citrussol, that one's hard, biotin, 42 hair growth support ingredients, grows healthy hair. Obviously it's going to do nails and skin too. And then I was doing research on GLP-1. Now, I don't take GLP-1. I did for a short time. It didn't work very well for me because it made me very sick because of my gastric bypass. But I was doing research on GLP-1 and what is missing when people start losing their hair on it. So perk up your ears if you are on GLP-1, even if you're microdosing. This is silica, pure clinica, double strength silica complex. It has a ton of silica in there. Silica is the mineral that is missing when you start on GLP-1. They are going around and around about how they can help people not lose their hair during all of that. You're going to lose some hair no matter what because you are shocking your body by losing weight. It happens. I did it when I lost all of the weight with the gastric bypass, but this helps regrow, helps it grow thick when it comes back in, helps stimulate those follicles. That is a really good one. Now, on the nights that I'm going to wash my hair the next day, so I only wash my hair every 4 days. That is another thing that I try really hard not to do because I'm trying to give my hair a rest in between. I'm trying to make sure that it doesn't have a lot of damage from having to have too much processing or too much heat on it. So every 4 days, and I do use minoxidil serum still. It's very watery. I just use a dropper of it on this part and then another dropper of it on the back part of my hair. And then I work it through. Now, I only use it on that day. So every 4 days, I'm getting this. Not every day, not every morning and night. So it's not necessarily something that you may need to run out and get. I will tell you that I always feel like I have to wash my hair after I use this, even if my hair was clean already. So that's one reason that I only use it on the nights that I'm going to wash my hair. And minoxidil has proven research behind it. Yes, if you stop using it, your hair is going to go back to where it was when you started using it. So it's something that you have to be in it for the long haul. But the minoxidil works really good for me. I also use this right here, which is a silk pillowcase. I will put the link to this below. I have several of these. I change my pillowcase several times in the week because it's just like washing your face. You wouldn't put your hair down on a dirty pillowcase. I actually don't want to put my face down on my dirty pillowcase. So I change it several times a week. I have a lot of these. This is 100% mulberry silk, and I can attest to you that yes, this is silk. It's not just satin. I love these pillowcases. You're getting less friction for your hair, and if you have longer hair, you may also want to wear your hair up either in a scrunchie, not tight, very loose, or you might even think about using a bonnet. I can't use a bonnet. I get too hot and I feel like I'm actually just, the heat is on my head. It's very, very hard for me. So I pull my hair up. I use a clip. I don't use a scrunchie. Never, ever tight. It's always very, very loose on my hair when I go to bed. And then I use this. And every other night, I use this device right here. I do want to tell you that I was sent this. However, from Mesama, this is red light therapy and microcurrent. It has such good technology behind it. I've talked to you about this. I actually feel like this has probably made the most difference in my hair than anything else as far as tools or what I've been doing. This right here and the silica are the two things I've added very recently, and I feel like the results are phenomenal. This is an investment, but I'm telling you, it's something that I will never be without. When I first started using it for the first 2 months, I did it every single day, and then now I'm at every other day, and the results are fabulous. You saw how all those hairs are sprouting. I firmly believe that that comes from this tool right here, which is the red light therapy comb from Mesama. I love this thing. I want to tell you that this one is not inexpensive. And if anybody knows of a really good hair oil that's really light for fine, limp hair, please let us all know, because I haven't found anything that's better than this. This is the Olaplex No. 7 hair oil. When you think about when a hair gets cut at the very end of that hair, it's hollow. It needs something to go up in there to support it and give it moisture, just like if you were putting moisture on the hair in the shower or whatever. It really does help. I only need one tap of it because my hair is fine. It is limp. So this has lasted me a very long time. It'll probably last me at least the rest of the year. One tap, maybe two, and I am rubbing it into my hands, and then I am just going on every single end that I can feel, and I'm really giving it a great dose of hydration with that oil, sealing in what that end that you see that is hollow where the moisture can be lost. You think about when you cut a tulip or anything like that, it has that hollow end. They always tell you to turn those upside down, fill them up with water, and then quickly put them in your vase so they still have water in them. That's because that hollow end is gonna leak out all of the moisture. Same type of concept when we're talking about oil. That one is so good. And then treatments. When you are talking about growing your hair and getting it in the best shape possible, the treatment that I use is from L'Oreal. L'Oreal is the parent company of Redken. I'm sure that they share recipes as far as what those lines use. Redken, their bonding conditioner can cost you upwards of $30+. This one from L'Oreal, I believe, is around 10. This is the Bond Strengthening Conditioner Concentrate Pre-Shampoo. Okay, they will tell you when you start using Olaplex that you need to wash your hair, then put this in, then wait your 20 minutes, then wash your hair again. I don't do that. That is too much time. What I do, I will wet my hair, put this in, wait 20 minutes, go wash my hair. Now, what does a bond strengthening complex do? It takes all of that rough hair, it takes all of the damage, and it smooths it and it bonds it together. So you're going to not have all of this hair that is prone to breaking and split ends and all of that. So this is huge for me to use. I use this probably once a week, maybe once every other week. I don't use this every time. So this is very inexpensive, and it's a huge, wonderful way to boost the health of your hair. Here's another way. It's not inexpensive. K18 is a company that cracked this code about a molecular repair hair mask. So what this does is it does the same thing as the bonding, only on a different level. So the bonding's gonna go in and it's going to fortify and protect your hair, preparing your hair for the shampoos and the conditioners. It's fortifying, it's helping. What this one is going to do is it's actually going to go in, and on the molecular level, it's gonna help heal that hair shaft. Remember, this is dead. All we can do is treat it. We can't get anything other than what it is right now, but we can protect it and we can help heal it from all of the stressors. I color treat my hair. I curl it with heat, maybe, once a week, maybe less than that. I try to keep away from heat any more than I have to. Not any more than every 4 days, for sure. But you want to use something really good like this. And I do know that it's expensive. So I found an alternative that works almost as good. I feel like it is utilizing the same type of technology to protect your hair. It's just a fraction of the cost. And I'll make sure that I list it right underneath this. But I believe that this is healing my hair a ton, along with the L'Oreal Bond Repair. Now, 2 different ways of using this. This one, you do a pre-shampoo before you ever shampoo. This one, after you shampoo, you don't use a conditioner, and you get out and you towel dry your hair, and then you put this on, you wait 4 minutes, and then you can go in and style your hair as normal. That is the way that this works. It's the way that it bonds to your hair. It's the way that it helps heal the hair shaft, not the follicle. So I've kind of gone over all the things as far as protecting your hair, except for 2 leave-ins that I use. This one is the BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primer. It's not the oil, it is the primer. I squirt this into my hand and I am just using it all over damp hair after this has set for 4 minutes. And then I go in on top of that with the IGK Body Language Rice Water. This has the ability to double the size of your hair shaft, so it makes it look fuller and bigger, and I love this stuff. And like I said, neither of these are inexpensive. So if you have found something out there that performs like either one of these, either a hair protectant, heat protectant, primer type situation, this one that is the rice water from IGK, it also has a heat protectant in it, but it does that great body without using any mousse or hairspray or anything like that. So that is it. Yes, I know I just shot a ton of stuff at you, but that's what I use in order to help my hair, and it's working. My hair is looking better than it has in years, and it feels healthy. It feels soft. I love what my hair has done recently. I also have a video on how I curl my hair, the products that I do use for that. I'll make sure that I hopefully can link that at the end of this video. I'll put it down in the first pinned comment, and I will hopefully make sure I put it in the description. All of these products are going to be in the description for you as well. I know I've just thrown a ton at you, and I know that not everybody can afford all of this. So pick your poison. What you want to work on. You want to work on the health of your hair with bonding it, getting it healthier. Do you want to work on your scalp? Do you want to work internally? I've just thrown all kinds of things at you, but that's what I do to make sure my hair is in the best shape it can ever be in. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. I love you so very much, and I will see you in my very next video. Goodbye, my friends.